Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Flask Python. Today we are going to learn CRUD REST API using Postgres. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have, first of all, we have to create the users. Okay, let me check that the Postgres has the user or not. REST API there, and the REST API has the users column. I think they have the users already. And the table have which fields: username, email and the password. So let me add this, and what will happen? So query tool, try to execute, already exists. Let me delete this. Let's run this. It's added. Let's add some of the dummy datas. Okay, so let's add this one. This is inserted, and if I go and check, the records are there. Not its users we require. Refresh, and then we have a users table, and here we have some of the data, right? So let's go and update this record. So here we have the Python file for the CRUD REST API. Okay, so let's update this one. Control Z, Control C. Let's create another one file over here, that is test.py. Okay, and here I'm going to use this in my app.py file. Okay, so first of all you have to import this psycogp pg2. Okay, so you have to install this using the command. So if you don't know how to install it, in the previous video I have installed how to connect with the Postgres, so you get to know about that one. Okay, then import the Flask request and the justify from the Flask. Okay, next we have the PostgreSQL configuration. So here whatever the host you have, the user. So I think here the user is my Postgres and the password is admin. Okay, and here the database is my REST API. Okay, the connection is done. Next we have to define the establish a connection in the PostgreSQL database with the help of this. Okay, next we have a user, so let's fetch all the users list. Okay, so select start from users, simple query command over here. Okay, save this, let's try to run. So this is done. Let's go and just get the users list. So here we have method not okay, get request. So here you can see that we have 3 records. Okay, so this is basically first connection.cursor, select start from users, fetch and JSON file. Okay, so this is for the Postgres connection, right? I think the code is totally same with the MySQL. Okay, next we have a users, so let's fetch the users with the help of the ID. I'm going to get with the ID 2 or 1, so it will fetch the respective record over it. Okay, so the queries, let's start from the users where condition. So ID we have to pass, and then cursor dot fetch one, only one record need to fetch. Okay, then close that connection. Okay, the next one that we have to insert the records into the database. So insert the user's name and the email. So let's try to insert this one. So we have to make a post request and remove this one, and the bodies we have to insert this record. Let's try to send it. User created. If I go to the pg admin and check the record, here you can see that we have all the records, right? The record is there. Okay, so simple query command is there, and first of all you are requesting the JSON file, JSON data, right, and extracting the name and the email from it. and then close that one, and user created successfully. Next we have to put the request, means update the request. So we can update the name or the email, whatever. So let's go and update this one. So on the behalf of like which I think it's to be a fifth ID. Okay, I want to make it like this, Rajni. And okay, let's have a look. Method is not allowed, that is put request, send it, updated. Let's refresh this. So I think so here we have the refresh. So let me use. So here it's not I think it's fourth ID, not fifth. So here you can see that it's updated, right? Next, here you can just add the cases. If the id is not there, then the user id is not found. If it is found, then check the record and update that record, right? That case I think I'm missing from my side. So here update is there, then we have to go with the delete user. So make sure make a delete request like this. Okay, and just try to hit this one and user deleted. Okay, delete from the users where the record is found and deleted. And if I go over here and let's run this, and here you can see that that record is not there. Okay, so only 3 records are left. Okay, so this is how we are able to create the REST API using the PostgreSQL in Python Flask. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.